Hi, this is Sai from Magneq Software. 30 days, 30 aptitude topics. Day 6. Today's topic time and work. Time equal to number of working hours into number of days. And manpower is always inversely proportional to work done. For example, there are 100 units of work. If 20% are work together, they can complete in 5 days. 5 days. If 10% are work together, they can complete in 10 days. When persons increase, number of days decrease. When persons decrease, number of days increase. So manpower and work done always inversely proportional. Next, if a person can do a work in X days, then one day work is 1 by X. For example, if a person can do a work in 12 days, then one day work 1 by 12. 1 by 12. If M1 persons can do W1 work in day1 days working T1 hours and M2 persons can do W2 work in D2 days working T2 hours, then the relation M1 D1 T1 W2 equal to M2 D2 T2 W1. So we can write M1 D1 T1 W2 by M2 D2 T2 and W1. W1 and W2 interchange because manpower and work done always inversely proportional. A can do a piece of work in 6 days and B in 9 days. How many days will both take together to complete the work? So A can complete it in 6 days, B can complete it in 9 days. Then one day work of A, one day work of A, 1 by 6, and one day work of B, 1 by 9. So work together A plus B, 1 by 6 plus 1 by 9. LCM of 6 and 9, 18. So 3 plus 2, 5 by 18. 5 by 18 is 1 day work. 5 by 18 is 1 day work. So total work complete in 18 by 5 days. 18 by 5 days. 18 by 5 means 3.6 days. 3.6 days. So this is general method. Next by using LCM method. Next by using LCM method. So A capacity 6 days and B capacity 9 days. Their LCM 18. Their LCM 18. So 18 by 6 means 3 units per day. 3 units per day. 18 by 9 means 2 units per day. Work together. A plus B means 3 plus 2, 5 units per day. 5 units per day. So LCM 18 means there are total 18 units of work per day 5 units. So total work complete in 3.6 days. First one general method, second one LCM method. If A complete a piece of work in 12 days, the same work is completed by B and C in 15 days and 20 days respectively. In how many days the total work is completed if they work together? So A capacity 12 days, B capacity 15 days, C capacity 20 days. One day work of A. One day work of A. 1 by 12, 1 day work of B, 1 by 15, 1 day work of C, 1 by 20. So work together A plus B plus C, 1 by 12 plus 1 by 15 plus 1 by 20. So LCM of 12, 15 and 20. So there is a shortcut 12, 15 and 20. So 20 is the maximum value. 20 is not divisible by 12. So not the LCM. 22 times 40. 40 is not divisible by 12. Next to 23 times. 23 times 60. 60 is divisible by 12. 60 is divisible by 15. And 60 is divisible by 20. So LCM of 12, 15 and 20 is 60. So first we have to take maximum value and divide by next value. So 20 is not divisible by 12. Then 2 times 22 times 40. 40 also not divisible by 12. Next to 23 times. So 23 is 60. 60 is divisible by 12, divisible by 15 and divisible by 20. So 60 is the LCM of 12, 15 and 20. So 5 plus 4 plus 3. 12 by 60 means 1 by 5. 1 by 5 is the 1 day work. 1 day work. Total work complete in 5 days. 5 days. So 1 day, 1 by 5 is the 1 day work of A, B and C. Next one by using LCM method. Next one by using LCM method. So given values, A can complete in 12 days, B can complete it in 15 days, C can complete it in 20 days. So their LCM. LCM of 12, 15 and 20 is 16. So 60 by 12 means 5 units per day. 60 by 15 means 4 units per day. And 60 by 20 means 3 units per day. So A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C. 5 plus 4 plus 3, 12 units per day. So total LCM 60 means there are total 60 units of work per day 12 units. Total work complete in 5 days. A and B together can do a piece of work in 5 days, and A alone can do it in 8 days. B alone can do the same piece of work in. So we know A plus B equal to A plus B. We want only B value. Then A plus B minus A equal to B. We have to find out only B value. So minus A. A plus B minus A. So given information A and B together can do a work in 5 days. 5 days. And A alone can do it in 8 days. 1 day work 1 by 5 and 1 day work 1 by 8. So we have to find out B value. Means 1 by 5 minus 1 by 8. Their LCM 40. 8 to minus 5. 3 by 40. 3 by 40 is the 1 day work. 1 day work. So total work complete in 40 by 3. 40 by 3. So 40 by 3 is again fraction. So we have to convert into mixed fraction. 40 by 3. So 3 ones are 3, 10, 3 threes are 9. So 1 remainder means 13 1 by 3. 13 1 by 3 days. Second option 13 1 by 3 days. Next, by using LCA method, A and B together can complete it in 5 days. A alone can do it in 8 days. Their LCM 40. So 40 by 5 means 8. 40 by 8 means 5. B equal to 8 minus 5 means 3. So there are total 40 units per day, 3 units means 13 1 by 3 days. A can complete a piece of work in 20 days, B can complete the same work in 25 days. If they start the work together, but after 5 days A left the work, in how many days the total work would be finished? So A can complete it in 20 days, B can complete it in 25 days. LCM of 20 and 25, 100. So 100 by 20 means 5 units per day. 100 by 25. 100 by 25 means 4 units per day. If they are work together, A and B, 5 plus 4, 9 units per day. 9 units per day. So LCM 100. LCM 100 means there are total 100 units of work. 100 units of work. And given information, they start the work together, but after 5 days A left. Means first A and B work together. After 5 days, A left. A left. So remaining only B. Remaining only B. So in 5 days, how many units have completed? 5 days per day, 9 units. Means 45 units of work completed. Total 100 units minus 45. Remaining 55 units. 55 units of work should be completed by B only. What is B capacity? B capacity 4 units per day. B capacity 4 units per day. So 55. 4 1 are 4. So 15. 4 3 are 12. Remainder 3. Means 13. 3 by 4. So 13. 3 by 4 days. So total work means 5 plus 13, 3 by 4. 18, 3 by 4 days. First option, 18, 3 by 4 days. If 10 men complete off work in 12 days when they work 8 hours per day, in how many days 18 men complete the full work when they work 6 hours per day? So given information, M1 equal to 10 men and D1 equal to 12 days and T1 equal to 8 hours and work W1 equal to off work and M2 manpower equal to 18 men. D2 we have to find out D2. T2 value 6 hours per day and W2 full work. So given off work and full work, for example W2 value 10, then W1 value 10 by 2 means 5. If W2 value 1, then off work 1 by 2. For easy calculation, W2 value take as 1, and W1 value 1 by 2. Now formula M1 D1 T1 W2 equal to M2 D2 T2 W1. We have to find out D2 value. So D2 equal to M1 D1 T1 W2 by M2 T2 and W1. Substitution. So 10 into 12 into 8 into 1 by 1 into 6 into, sorry, M2 value 18. M2 value 18 into 6 into W value 1 by 2. So 2 ones are 2 3 the 3 fours, 2 9 times 4 times 4 for the 16 means 160 by 9. 160 by 9. So 9 ones are 9, 70, 9 sevens are 63, 7 remainder. 77 by 9 days. Second option 17, 7 by 9 days. 3 men or 4 men can do a piece of work in 43 days. In how many days 7 men and 5 men can do the same work? So given M1 D1 equal to M2 D2. So M1 value 3 men or 4 women. 3 men or 4 women. So we can take 3 men and D1 value 43 days. D2 value we have to find out and M2 value 3 men and 5 women. 3 men and 5 women. So 7 M plus 5 women. But calculation always in equal parameters. M1 value 3 men. So M2 value should be in men only. So given information 3 men or 4 women. So 3 men can come to a work of 4 women. From this, women equal to 3 by 4 men. Women equal to 3 by 4 men. 7 men plus 5 into 3 by 4 men. 7 men plus 5 3 are 15 by 4 men. So LCM 4 and 7 4s are 28 plus 15. 43 by 4 men. M2 value 43 by 4 men. So M1 D1 equal to M2 D2. So we have to find out D2 value. D2 equal to M1 D1 by M2. M1 value 3 into D1 value 43 by M2 value 43 by 4. So 43 cancel. 3 4 the 12 days. 3 4 the 12 days. For more updates, follow our YouTube channel. Comment your answer. If A completed a piece of work in 12 days, the same work is completed by B and C in 10 days and 20 days respectively. In how many days the work is completed if they work together?